Hello friends, English dictation 120 words per minute. Start. Unlike the West, we in India are fortunate that our craft tradition have survived to the present times, and it is recommended and emphasized on a craft-based approach to conservations as well as modern public buildings with stone carvers, plasters, masons, carpenters, bricklayers who take great pride in replicating the work of their forefathers, being at the forefront of building conservation. The design intention of the original builders will be respected, and the understanding of significance and interest in our built heritage amongst visitors will be retained. The craftsmen should also once again become stakeholders in the preservation efforts and continue to impart traditional skills to their future generations who are moving to other trades in large numbers. Para. India's national moments are irreplaceable and significant asset for the nation and its people with associated emotional, religious, economical, historic, architectural, and archaeological values. Amongst others, these assets are, however, under threat from the pressures of urbanization to achieve conservation and development objectives. Different agencies of the government need to partner with academic institutes or civil society and local communities. It has already been demonstrated that any resources invested in such an endeavor leads to multiple returns as well as fulfilling multiple government objectives. Para. Several of our movements stand amidst dense urban inhabitations in our many historic cities. Also, often the communities residing around monuments in these dense urban centers are poor and often deprived of even the most basic urban infrastructure. The success of the Nizamuddin urban renewal has demonstrated a model approach for community based conservation. Not only have several protected monuments in the dense Hazarat Nizamuddin Basti undergone conservation, but the conservation efforts have been coupled with providing education, health services, vocational training to create economic opportunities for local youth and women, sanitation, urban improvements including landscaping, neighborhood parks, and street improvements, revival of 700 years living culture center around Sufism and Quali, creating performance spaces amongst other aspects. It is hoped that the community of Hazarat Nizamuddin Basti will now play a pivotal role in the preservation of the built heritage that stands amidst their neighborhood, and that conservations or culture can be used a tool for development in several other similar historic urban areas of India. Para. For the Nizamuddin model for conservation led development to be replicated requires significant public private partnership with NGOs, resident welfare associations, grant making organizations, corporate sectors, municipal councils, or corporations to come together with a long term vision. The initiative has global lessons but has been possible with a multiple disciplinary team creating customized contextual and local solutions, all aim at improving the quality of life for inhabitants with heritage assets restored and well taken care of. Stop.